class, happy Unit 4 day. We are officially halfway done the course and we have a play and a novel study to consider. The play is about 45 pages, so it isn't a really long read. However, the novel's 200, so if you do need to start reading those, go for it. I've also included a production of the play if you prefer to watch it. I always prefer to watch a play. I hate reading plays. So I've included the links on YouTube in case you want to watch. So what's on the agenda for today? Today you're going to be doing a discussion in Activity 1, and you're going to be doing a quiz in Activity 2. You need to have read the first act in order to do that quiz, so make sure that that is done, or you won't be successful on that quiz, because the quiz is all about what's happened in the play so far. So let's go to the content. So we're going to go to content, and we're going to go to Unit 4. And we're really delving into theme here. This play's about love, but not the romantic, wonderful kind of love, the heartbreaking, awful kind of love. It's really quite depressing. And I want you to review theme, because theme is really, really important to our final summative task. So when you click on the assignment page, you're going to see this, but it's going to be all lined out. Oh, perfect. So if you click next, you will go to the right page. However, if you click assignment, you're going to go to the wrong page. I'll make sure that this is all X'd out. So if you get to this page, it'll be very obvious that it's not what you're supposed to be doing, and you just need to go to next. So I need you to listen to this note. This is to help our listening for understanding. So rather than giving you a note on theme, I'm going to read to you the background on Henrik Ibsen's play. And I want you to consider this discussion. In the news item above, you can see that you've been assigned to a quotation. So I want you to interact with your peers on the nature of marriage today, and what are your expectations for future relationships? So maybe for your children's, or 2 generations from now, how are relationships going to continue to change? So once you've thought about your quotation, I want you to consider all of these things and go to the group discussion and just kind of have a little chat about it. So that's the first thing you're going to do. Once you finish that, you are not doing this assignment, so don't worry about that. I will exit out. You're going to Activity 2. If you follow the checklist, some of these things that are still there from the original course, you will just know not to do it. So Activity 2, we're looking at Act 1. I told you you needed to have Act 1 read. If you look through the content, you're going to look at the doll's house. There's a vocabulary log in case you want to improve your vocabulary, and that was one of your goals. And we're going to look at this as a drama. So here's the quiz. It's going to be multiple choice to test your understanding of the content. So it's just right here. So doing that discussion with your peers, making sure you're posting and responding to at least 2 of your peers to meet expectations, and then reading Act 1 of the play if you haven't yet, and doing the quiz. That's on the agenda today. Yesterday was a pretty heavy day, so this is where we're going into the weekend. By Monday, you need to have finished the rest of the play, because we're going to be finishing this unit again in just 3 days. So potentially even starting the novel if you need a little bit of extra time. So that's it for today. I'm really busy marking your Unit 2 work because it was such a quick unit. So please, please, please be patient, and I will hopefully have a lot done after the weekend.